Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers. Red color, blue color, black color, yellow color, green color, and the last one is white color. So kids, now we coloring numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So kids, now we coloring numbers. Kids, first we draw A. Red color, O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2, T-W-O, 2. Now we draw 3, T-H-R-E, 3. So kids, now we draw the number of 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Now we draw 5, the number of 5, F-I-V-E, 5. So kids, the next one is 6 and we use blue color. Kids, now we use blue color and draw 6, S-I-X, 6. The next one is 7, 7. Now we draw the number of 8, 8. Kids, now we draw the number of 9, N-I-N-E, 9. The next number is 10. Now we draw 10. So kids, the next number is 11 and we use yellow color. We draw the number of 11. The next one is 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Now we draw 13, the number of 13. Kids, the next one is 14. Now we draw 15, the number of 15. So kids, the next one is 16 and we use green color. We draw the number of 16. Now we draw 17. Kids, now 18. The next one is 19. Now we draw 20, the number of 20. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.